I have been craving some breakfast potatoes because they're super easy and simple to cook, and also potatoes absorb in flavor perfectly. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very delicious breakfast potato recipe, which is going to have a shakshuka twist, and it's going to turn out absolutely amazing. Peel 3 large potatoes, chop into small pieces just like this. Wash several times until the water runs clear. That is to get rid of the excess starch. Then you're going to prep up some onions, tomatoes, and coriander. We have a few spices, eggs, cooking oil, and salt. So let's get cooking. I'm going to grab a pan. And for the recipe, I'm using a non-stick pan. Into your bowl, you're going to add in your chopped up potatoes. Going to grab my glove because we're going to be seasoning our potatoes. Add in half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, which is going to add in a nice kick of spiciness. A little bit of salt, around a quarter teaspoon. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Toast the potatoes together with the seasoning until fully combined. If the potatoes are not changing color, they're not well seasoned. So you'll add in some more seasoning. That is paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. Once done, I'm going to place my pan over medium-low flame. Add in a tablespoon more of cooking oil. Wait for the pan to get hot. Once the oil is ready, I'm going to transfer in my seasoned potatoes. Let the potatoes in a single layer, just like this. Then you're going to reduce the flames to low and cook your potatoes for around 5 to 6 minutes. The cooking time is going to depend on the size that you have chopped up your potatoes. If yours are medium size, they're going to take more time. So just make sure, because this is a breakfast recipe, to chop up not the tomatoes, chop up the potatoes into small pieces so that they can cook fast. I've added in an additional 5 minutes to make 15 time for cooking my potatoes, and they're super crispy and looking so gorgeous. Just look at that. Potatoes absorb in salt super fast, so I'm going to check the seasoning. Hot, very hot. I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, a bit more to make sure it's well seasoned. Toss. At this point, you can enjoy the potatoes, but now you're going to be adding in the rest of the ingredients so that you can make the breakfast a little bit more healthy. So I'm going to add in a little bit more cooking oil, around a teaspoon. Toss the potatoes a little bit. Add in 1 onion. Toss. 1 large tomato that is pulpless. Toss. You can also use your spatula. Then you're going to cook for around a minute until the onions are soft with a little bit of crunch together with the tomatoes. You don't want to overcook everything because it's going to mush down and make the potatoes soggy. Check the seasoning one more time. Still, I need a little bit more salt. And it's super yummy. Oh, wow. I love the garlic, the black pepper taste. And the paprika has added in a very nice color to the potatoes. I'm going to bring the flame to medium low so that I can cook my onions, tomatoes. And after a minute, this is how everything is going to be looking. I'm enjoying tasting the potatoes because they're so yummy. Bring the flames to low once more. Then I'm going to make wells in my pan just like this. Crack in my eggs. I'm going to crack in some chili flakes on my eggs. Add in a little bit of salt. Make sure you're using low flame to cook your breakfast potatoes at this point. And then we're going to cover and cook for around 2 to 4 minutes. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a splash of water so that the steam can cook the eggs on top. In between, you're going to shake your pan to make sure the eggs are not stuck, although we are using a non-stick pan, just to be sure. Then you're going to cover and continue cooking your eggs. If you love a runny yolk, you're going to cook for around 6 to 8 minutes. And if you love your eggs well cooked, that is a hard-boiled egg, you're going to cook for around 10 minutes. I love mine well cooked. So it's been around 6 minutes, and this is how my eggs are looking. They're almost set because once I toss, they are getting firm. That means that they're cooking. So I'm going to cover and let everything cook. My eggs are ready, so I'm going to put out the flames, garnish with a little bit of coriander, which is going to add in color. And now I'm ready to serve my delicious breakfast potatoes. I'm going to transfer to a plate. Sprinkle a little bit of more coriander leaves. As you can see, my eggs are well cooked. Everything is perfect. Just look at that. No runny yolks. So this recipe is perfect for breakfast, and if you're looking forward to throw up brunch, you can try out this easy and simple breakfast potatoes.